Stator Coil cutting machine 04.02.06. Today, in the conditions of a dynamically developing electrical repair shop, it is impossible not to have a cutting machine. Its functions, components and mechanisms expedite work times of personnel, which contributes to a significant reduction in the repair time of electric motors. The machine is designed to trim the frontal parts of the stator windings of electric machines with center heights from 70 to 280 mm. The stator is mounted on the work table and is secured by a 3-jaw chuck, which ensures centering of the stator bore relative to the rotation axis of the faceplate. The 3-jaw chuck is equipped with an automatic clamping force system. The frontal parts of the motor windings are trimmed with high-quality, reinforced cutting wheels or mills, which are included in the unit delivery. The mill rotates at a speed of 2,880 revolutions per minute around its axis, and together with the faceplate describes a circle of a given diameter along the front of the electric motor, with a speed of 1 to 2/10 revolutions per minute. All operations are mechanized. Trimming of the frontal parts can be performed both in semi-automatic and in manual mode. Thus, one cutting cycle, not counting the time for transport operations, takes 1.5 to 2.5 minutes. At the same time, manual labor is completely excluded. Special screens and local exhaust ventilation protect the operator from possible harmful factors. The cutter rotates inside the stator bore, which is also an additional protection in case of emergency. The machine is easy to operate and maintain, has a reliable hydraulic system and low power consumption. It's not difficult to train personnel to operate the cutting machine effectively. Taking into account an individual approach to each of our orders, Electromash Trading House LLC will consider your terms of reference for the manufacture of a machine with different parameters from the proposed. Electric equipment repair supplier, Electromash Trading House.